DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now today, me I gonna do a video reviewing Masicka's new album, Generation of King. I'm not telling a lie, people. That one is bad. I go right to the intro, check out some of the songs them. I won't forward back. I go tell you my favorite and not so favorite song of Masicka's new album entitled Generation of Kings.
Who fi stand up front of this one, it a clear. I go down the fit tight and steer. Full it up, shift it in a gear.
Forever brave
Just to make it fi put food in my yard. Rain fall for everybody roof, just like tears fall. Poverty the place call you with face all. I'm gone with the black sheep, stone with the bill I refuse. No one them think we don't know.
Generation of Kings, aka GOK, is a compilation of 17 tracks featured artists like Popcorn, Dexter Daps, Chronicler, Leela, Spice, Fav, and an artist known as Friday. Now, me never too know the artist they were named Friday, but me listen him bad, him can sing, and the artist named Fav, I don't know them, but me I tell you, that song when name Fight For Us, it definitely gone good, you know what I mean? So starting off the album with a song entitled Black Sheep.
Now I'm making the first to me hurt them. God is if you read me Bible verse them.
This song is, I would say, like a typical Masicka song. It bad, it album ready, definitely, but there's nothing more, you know, surprising about that song more than how Masicka talk about him struggles.
I'm gone with the black sheep, stone with the bill I refuse.
Now Popcorn, Stars Are Us.
Hey, stars are us, and the skies are real. Wounds are never heal.
Me personally, me don't know if that song here did warrant Popcorn on it. If you black out the Popcorn part like the song bad same way, so me don't see Popcorn add not more than like some vocal range to the song. Compare this song with the previous 438 album featuring Popcorn, Pain. Me can tell you pain in every language. Compare the two songs more than say the 438 song Pain Bada.
Thank God we made it out. What heap of time I used to do without.
Now we have a reverse time, but especially the part in the intro when Masicka said it.
Poverty and the worst crime, and if you're there road and no work, you deserve time.
Poverty are the worst crime, and if you're there road and no work, you have to serve time. Although that no fly over on the head, I don't really understand what Dagga say. Dagga say poverty are the worst. If you're there road and you waste time, you better you go to jail to serve time. Because you're not serving no purpose now.
Bow, drip, chain them lights now. Click, them right, pow.
Then you have a song named March On featuring Dexter Daps.
On every girl, that's a general. Some girl are pretty devil, better you.
Bad song, as I say. Starting off the album with the first song, second song, then the third song, we see where it a pick up. And you know the Dexter Daps feature, like it bad. Masicka and Dexter Daps always have that chemistry. And I could assure say that song that was produced by Dunwell. Yes, that was produced by Dunwell. You know, say anytime Dunwell go in and mix chemistry ever. Dede, you see me?
Man a soldier until it over on them streets and make my corner. On my shoulder we don't fall.
Then you have Triumphant featuring Chronicler and Leela.
Them I want down, me live like me some death on my door. Put me name in the stars, gon' get her for sure. Me get it and going for more, cause we not there for snore.
Bad piece of song, same way. Bad song. Then him slow it down little and give you a female song.
No angel don't cry. Some love your black woman. Keep on wearing your smile.
Bad song. Then him give you Most Wanted female song again. Bad.
Most Wanted. Anytime you bring it, come you no feel left your vibes scandal. Come me like your vibes scandal. Nobody there you Most Wanted.
Then him give you a song entitled Whoa featuring Spice.
Me say wow like a farmer plow. Oh yeah, you like how me wind that day. Me waistline a move and a turn and straight.
No, A lot of people are say that I wanna collab them way never warrant on the album. Personally, me feel like it fit on the album because in other segment here, like Masicka reach out when me would answer to some new fans. You see me? And I would think that's why it brings Spice, Panda, the collab here. You know, cause Spice don't have our fan base already, you know. So like the two fan base them come together. That's just magic. And me feel like the song bad. It have that dancehall sound there and that little something there, you know, Spice have come bad it up. It don't sound like a Spice song, but it sound like a Masicka song.
One queen of the deck them fin out. Girl, you hot like a fireside.
You have one of my favorite song, Fight For Us, featuring Fave.
Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you.
That song that sound different too. Him going on one different type of market right over there, so me can't beat that song there. And the collab, like, me like the two of them together. Compared to a song from 4380 to that sound like a Steph London and Masicka. Not really that in depth, but you know, or I should say a light version of a Steph London and Masicka. But that song they bad.
Say let you know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you.
Him have Tyrant, which that was previously released.
From me a juvenile and the money I call me, call my daughter for got Benz and my son in Hardy.
I'm going to like one grimy part after Tyrant. Him go a song named Rifle, aka District 1. Now that song they grimy.
Right, side of right, yeah. Who fi stand up front of this one, it a clear. I could down the fit tight and steer.
Carbon again, grimy.
Watch boy if you try program a king. Them a good you, we start roll with that thing.
Limelight.
Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right.
Them they sound like Masicka. Then him go Rainfall.
Rainfall for everybody roof. Just like tears fall. Poverty the place call you with face all. You give up if you
No, Masicka pour out him art in other one ya. This song, I would say, again, one of my favorite songs.
So watch my pocket as my cheek and you a play fraud. Different road, we might not pluck the same can, but rainfall on everybody roof.
Broken Home. That song here again. Nice song.
Coming from a broken home, no home, you're drowning. Bless the child where only moan you crown him.
That song here explains, say, yo, watch you know. Not true, you see, a particular person act a particular way. Probably them just a fall from a broken home, so you have to just take time with them. People, that song is bad. That song is a song for the streets.
Only by you too frozen. Coming from a broken home, no home, you're drowning.
Then him go Wet featuring Friday.
Keep floating, keep stroking. You been on my mind, but keep open.
No, the person named Friday is a man, and the song named Wet, Zine, and them a sing about a woman. The problem me have with that song here, and I hope I not just me a pre too deep. Like that song here, I feel like I'm a female should end up on the track. I sing a song like that. You see me, because it's like a sexual. You know, one of them songs that don't get me wrong, you know, the artist never go low, because every line the artist make sure I say she. Like if I count how much she in other song, they probably about 120.
So she wine nice, what I she take a sip, she get her. She keep me alive, but she looking like the love of my life.
So him not have like a line where he must say, baby, I love you. Cause that would sound like he must sing to the next man, which is Friday. Anyway, the artist can sing and everything. This is one of the collab them still. Me not say that collab make no sense.
Deep in waters, I see you going down.
People wanna tell me in the comment section if me wrong, but it kinda sound a way still like. Then the last song on the album, on Generation of Kings album, is entitled Waterfall.
Wine your wine, stars align, gold mine me find, waterfall. Yeah.
And again, that song here now is a girl song. So him give you a mixture, him give you some international songs or some songs that sound international. Him give you some hardcore Masicka song for the people that have been a fan of Masicka from probably 2012, 2000 listen. We've been a listen Masicka them time there and love that like a hardcore type of Masicka there. And you know, him give us some little overseas song and some song where we just sit down and met. Overall, for me, this album would give it an 8 out of 10, or probably 8.5 out of 10. One of the things I never like about the album here are just a particular song that we name Friday. And me think say the album here probably have too much gun song. Don't get me wrong, you know. I'm glad when big labels can pick up artists and produce them, or I should say sign big artists, and them still give them the option of being creative. Them not take what them creative right. Versus like let me use an artist for example, Shensia. From Shensia signed a big deal is like Shensia sound change. Shensia all our fan base come like she a try change. Masicka signed this deal with Def Jam. And a understanding we say, yo, watch you know, still the way I do, but you know, so we are gonna need something like we sound like this. So Masicka just put theme twist on it, and I feel like that is very, very great. But I only feel like him should handle probably more. Couple song would have probably left out. Again, that is my personal opinion. You see me? Watch it, that one of them we could have left out in a carbon. Anyway, that is a down-to-earth gun song. Anyway, still, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this album. Let me know what you think about this review. Let me know if you think a foolish me attack. And the album I baddest album I heard. But for me, as I say, 8 out of 10. Masicka. G-O-K. That is it.
Most wanted. Anytime you bring it, come you know feel left your vibes scandal. Rain fall for everybody roof, just like tears fall. Poverty the place call you with face all. You're coming from a broken home, no home, you're drowning. Bless the child where only moan you're drowning.
But we are the solidest, the street we know inadequate. We jam and step all when them try to put powder in my crep.
So people, don't forget, if for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and all those lovely things. But until next time, gone. Zane?
From me a juvenile and the money I call me, call my daughter finger Benz and my son in Hardy.